Artists, it's Mrs. RT, the art teacher from the Angelo School. For today's project, you're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, and some crayons or something to color with. For today's project, we're going to read the book, Are You Ready to Play Outside by Mo Willems, and then we're going to draw the elephant and the pig together. So this is the book, Are You Ready to Play Outside by Mo Willems. Piggy, Gerald, are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes. We are going to do everything today. We're going to run. We're going to skip. We're going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Plink. Oh no, said Piggy. It's starting to rain. It is raining. It's pouring. It's really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. Piggy's really upset now. I am not a happy pig. There's no more rain. What happened? Elephant blocked it all with all the rain with his ears. Thank you, Gerald. But it's still raining. Grr. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? There's two little worms down here popping out and they say, rain, yay! Splash, splash, splish, splash, splash. They look like they're having so much fun in the rain. They are having fun, said Gerald. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try, said Piggy. Splash. This is great. Let's play. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Now it stopped raining. Rats, said Piggy. Now I like rain, and now the rain has stopped. I am not a happy pig. Gerald said, do not worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain! Elephants make the best friends. And that was, Are You Ready to Play Outside? So now we're going to draw the elephant and the pig. You should start with a pencil on your paper. I'm going to show you with a black marker so that you can see it. And we're going to start, I'm holding my paper this way so I can draw a little bit more in the background. But you can hold your paper either way, horizontal or vertical. We're going to start with the elephant. So up here we'll do a big circle for his head. And he's wearing glasses, so I'll do two bigger circles for the glasses with a little dot inside for his eyes. And then on his glasses, he has a little line in the middle of the two circles, and then from the edge of the circle to the edge of his face, and the edge of the circle to the edge of his face. So we'll do a little line here in the middle, and one from here to the side, and side to side. Those are his eyes and his glasses. We have two little curved lines for his eyebrows. He has a big trunk for his nose. We can start in the middle and make two lines going down and connect it on the bottom. If you're using a pencil, you can erase this little line in the middle. Since I used a marker, I'll just color over it when I start coloring. And then in this book, Gerald was really happy and always trying to make the best of every situation, whether it was raining or not raining. So I'm going to make him with a big smile. And think about an elephant. Do they have really small ears or really big ears? So for these ears, I'm going to start up at the top of the head, curve around and down, and then make a line from the bottom of that ear over to the face for a big ear. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Curve around, a line down, and connect it to the face. And that's the elephant's face. Now we have a big oval for his body. It's almost going to look like the letter U. So you can make a big oval for the body. And two rectangles for the legs. 1, 2. Then he has these little curved lines on his feet for his toes. And then if you want, you can make his arms in the middle of his body like this picture. I'm going to make them up in the air like the cover of this book that we looked at. So I'm going to make a rectangle on this side and a rectangle on this side. Remember, it's okay if yours looks a little bit different. You just want to try your best. Then I'll make some of those curved lines again like we did on the feet. And that is our elephant. If you need to see anything again, you can pause the video or go back in the video to see how to draw the elephant again. And now we're going to draw the pig. Remember, the elephant's really tall, so the elephant went from the bottom of the page right up close to the top of the page, but the pig's going to be shorter. So I'm going to start with a circle for the head around the middle of the paper. We're going to use two triangles for the ears. And the face has some ovals, so we'll do two small ovals colored in for the eyes, and then a big oval here for the snout. Two small ovals for the eyes. A big oval in the middle with two little lines. And then I'm going to draw the pig when he's really happy. So I'm going to make a big smile. And we're going to do another big oval for the body. And then thin arms and legs. So two little rectangles for the legs. And again, I'm going to do his arms up kind of like I did for Gerald. But if you want to do his arms in the middle like that, you can. 2 rectangles for the arms. And that is how we make the pig and the elephant. Now you can choose what you want to do for the background. You could have it be really rainy, like in the book. You could make some trees. You could make it a nice sunny day, like they had at the end of the book. You can do some grass under them, and then fill in the whole background with color. So take some time to add in your background. Make sure you color the pig and the elephant. I hope you enjoyed the story, and stay creative with your drawing. I'll see you next time.